The smartphone market in India is captured by Chinese brands, with Xiaomi leading for the past 7 quarters. Samsung, which earlier held the helm for several years before being overtaken by Xiaomi, recently had to think its strategy to stay put against the former's aggressive pricing. While the result after the introduction of the Galaxy M series have yet to be seen, Samsung claims to have sold 2 million units under the new branding already. Following in its footsteps, fellow Korean company LG, which was once among the leading player in the Indian market, is now planning to revamp its sales strategy to regain some of its lost shares. And in order to do that, LG will be launching a new smartphone series in India soon as part of Amazon Fab Phone Fest sale, and LG has already started teasing its new W series. So hey folks, this is Samir and here is everything you need to know about the LG W series. Excited? So let's get started. Let's start with the design. Based on a landing page on Amazon, we already know what one of the phones will look like as well as some of its features. As a refresher, the LG W series smartphone will have a water drop notch, triple rear camera and a fingerprint scanner on the back. It will also come in a 3-color variants with a gradient finish. The new info says the phone will have a thickness similar to that of a pencil. Also, the listing had confirmed the presence of vertically aligned triple rear camera with LED flash. Now ahead of the official launch, tipster Ishan Agarwal has leaked some of the screenshots that detail the key feature of upcoming W series phone. Moving towards the specifications, under the hood the smartphone will be powered by an octa-core 64-bit 12nm chipset clocked at 2 GHz. While LG is yet to launch its new smartphone series, a new leak has revealed even more details. LG W series smartphone will pack a 4000 mAh battery and runs on MediaTek Helio P60 processor. The smartphone will also equipped with company's boombox speaker technology. LG's new smartphone is expected to compete with the present mid-range budget phones like Xiaomi Redmi Note 7 Pro and Samsung's Galaxy M30. Regarding pricing and release date, there are only speculations. On the Amazon Indian landing page, they have mentioned terms like pocket-worthy price tag and never-before prices, and we are speculating that it will be priced under 10 to 15,000 Indian rupees segment. However, there is one thing I would like to share here. Smartphones from LG have always been great quality-wise. Their last launch LG V40 was a good smartphone at decent price. It seems what LG lacks behind is marketing and promotion of their smartphones, and maybe with the LG W series things can change. So guys, are you excited for the new LG W series? Do let me know your thoughts in the comments down below, and for more future videos like this, do consider subscribing and hit the bell icon so that you never miss any future videos from Extreme Droid. So this is Samir signing off, and I'll see you guys in my next one.